In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the device has either stopped responding or has been disconnected on your Windows 11. So first thing that you can try is try to unplug, okay? Unplug it and then plug it again. Second method is try a different USB port. It might be connected to a faulty USB port, so try a different USB port. Then for the next method, right-click at the Start button, select Device Manager. Locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Click on the arrow to expand the list and update each of the driver. Right-click, select Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick and then click on the next. Okay, and then close this. So click on the Yes button. So you have to do the same thing for each of the driver in here. And then after updating all of the drivers, right-click, select Shutdown or Sign Out and restart your Windows. Then for the final method, go to the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on System Configuration under the Best Match. Click on the Services tab. Check this option, Hide All Microsoft Services. Click on Disable All, Apply, and then OK. And click on the Restart button that will appear in here. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.